So here's a real super duper quick tip for you. If you've got some type of specialty caulk that you don't use often, or even if it's just regular caulk, keep yourself some water balloons around, because you can take these, and if you stretch this guy out, stretch it out, pop it over the end, and then just kind of work it down on. Try not to rip it, but work the water balloon onto the end of your tube. Something kind of like that. So you got a little bit of air in there. Now take and give it a pump of caulk so that it fills up the end here with the caulk, and that will seal everything in. Release your pressure, pull your tube out of the caulk gun, and that will last dramatically longer than if you just left it open and exposed to air, because that caulk will set up right inside the end of the balloon, and then you can just peel the thing off. And more often than not, if you don't let it sit for years at a time, or 6 months, you can peel the balloon off, pull off the hardened end, and go right back to using it, same as the day that you did this. So there you go. There's your quick tip for today.